In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change birth date on Turbotax. Updating personal details in your account is important to make sure your tax records stay accurate. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Turbotax website from Intuit. Once the homepage loads, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Turbotax dashboard. From there, look for the Intuit Account option. This section contains your main account settings, where you can manage personal details and security information. Inside the Intuit Account area, select the Profile option. This page displays your personal information, including your name, contact details, and date of birth. Next, find the Date of Birth field and click on it to edit the information. Enter the correct birth date in the provided fields and double-check the details to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've updated the information, click Save to apply the changes. Your birth date will now be updated in your account settings. Keeping your personal information correct helps prevent issues when filing taxes and ensures your account works properly with Turbotax. If you ever run into problems during the process, support from Intuit is available to help guide you.